So when you are dealing with your 20-foot shipping container and you're dealing with the electrical part of it, depends on how fancy you want to go, how many lights and all those type of things and etc. I'm gonna say give yourself a range, and this is just a good healthy range. Give yourself from $350 to $500. That's a good range. Actually, my things cost a little under $500 for everything I needed. So I say give yourself a range from $350 to $500. I just went and picked up another order to sum this one up, and this one ended up at $2 something. So it gives me a total that's going to be right under $500. And that's with the box. That's with me getting the electrical box, the wirings, and these are the lights, the LED lights. Also, I got the slide switches, and I also have the USB plug. So I like these because I think these are a plus when you're having different type of businesses. You know what I mean? Because people come in, they might have a different type of setup, and I just want to make things more convenient, try to make it more modern, and you know, just a little stylish and a different approach. So just for those who need to know, when you're getting your electrical done inside your shipping container, a 20-footer, if you're turning into a storefront, not a home, because it's going to be a little bit more lights and stuff involved in it if it's a home living spot. But for a business, I'm gonna say give yourself a range from $350 to $500 with your electrical setup. That's what you buy and everything you need, and I think you'll be in a safe spot. So I just wanted to give you an update of that. Like I say, right now I just stopped at the gas station real quick after I left Home Depot. Got me some coffee. Now I'm finna get back to the road and finish to get my hog on. Got some work to do. So hopefully everybody doing good out there, man. Trying to get what I can get done today. It's a little rainy, drizzy today, but we're gonna do what we can do. So hog on.